In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mobile header in Framer. We're building a clean, functional mobile header that works on a phone-sized canvas, complete with text labels and a hamburger menu. I'll walk you through each action and share quick tips so your header looks polished and behaves the way you expect on smaller screens. First, open Framer and head into your project workspace. If you already have a project, open it. If not, a new blank project is perfectly fine. The main thing is that you're in the canvas view and can see your layers panel on the left and the properties on the right. We'll start by setting up a proper phone size page so we're designing at the right scale from the beginning. Next, click the plus icon in the Pages panel and choose a phone preset. This creates a phone canvas with the right dimensions for mobile work. If Framer asks for a device size, pick a common one like a modern iPhone preset so you're working with realistic width and height. Designing directly on a phone page ensures your spacing, typography, and icon sizes are appropriate for small screens. With the phone page ready, create the header container. Select the page, then add a new frame and place it at the top of your canvas. In the right-hand layout panel, make sure it's set as a frame so you get padding and layout controls. Set the width to fill the container and give it a fixed height that feels comfortable on mobile. Something around the 56 to 72 pixel range usually works well. Turn on padding so your content doesn't touch the edges. 16 pixels horizontally is a solid starting point. For layout direction, choose horizontal, align items vertically centered, and distribute content with space between. That way, your text can sit on the left and your hamburger menu on the right. If your project uses a background color, apply it here so the header reads clearly above the page content. Now add text. Press the T key to activate the text tool, then click inside your header frame to place a text layer. You can type a short label, such as a page title or brand name, or start drafting the labels you plan to use in your navigation. Keeping your text inside the header frame makes managing spacing and alignment much easier as you refine the layout. Type in the labels you want to show, like about, contact, or pricing. On a small header, you might only display a title now and move these labels into a menu later, but it's helpful to draft them so you can set the font style and sizing. Aim for a readable size on mobile, typically 14 to 18 pixels, adjusting weight and letter spacing for clarity. Make sure the text color contrasts with your header background and keep line height tight so the header doesn't get taller than necessary. If you're placing multiple labels side by side, use small gaps to keep everything neat. Next, select the Shape tool from the top left toolbar. We'll use basic shapes to make a clear, lightweight hamburger icon. A simple set of rectangles works perfectly and gives you full control over thickness, spacing, and color. Draw your hamburger menu by creating 3 short horizontal rectangles. Set each bar to the same width around 20 to 24 pixels and a thin height, like 2 to 3 pixels. Use even vertical spacing between the bars, then group them so they behave as a single icon. Place this group on the right side of the header frame. Make sure the icon color matches your text color for consistency, and double check that the group is centered vertically. If you're using auto layout on the header frame, the space between setting will keep the text on the left and the icon on the right without manual nudging. Rename your layers so you can find them quickly later, and consider rounding the bar ends slightly if you want a softer look. That's it. You now have a mobile-friendly header and framer with clean typography and a hamburger menu, ready to expand into a full navigation experience when you're ready. Preview on a phone-sized viewport to confirm spacing and tap targets feel right, and tweak padding or font size if needed. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.